Hi there, the first thing you want to do to set custom camera or angle names when you create a multicam clip is come over to the media workspace and navigate to the bin that contains the clips you want to use in the multicam sequence. Come up to these column names and you can click anywhere in these column names, right click and come up here and make sure that camera number is selected. Just tick that, and if we scroll along here you can see now that we've got this camera number column. If you want to, you can drag this column near the start so you can see it right next to your source clips. Next, select one of your source clips and then click in this camera number column. The box turns red and then type a name for this camera angle. This was shot with an iPhone. This was shot with an A7S III. So let's call this side. And this one was shot with an A7R4. Let's give that a camera number of front. Once you've done that, go and create your multicam sequence as you would ordinarily do. In this case, we're going to sync using the sound embedded in these 3 video files. So I'm going to select sound, just going to untick that so we don't move the source clips. And here's the important bit. Underneath this angle name dropdown, instead of using sequential, change this to metadata camera. This is going to use the camera column that we just filled out, and then hit create. Here's the multicam clip we just created, and we'll go and add that to a timeline. Switch over to multicam edit. Now you can see we've got these camera angles: camera front, camera side, and camera iPhone.